Welcome back to Modern Motors, the place where wheels meet wanderlust. Today, we're diving into a motorhome that is not just transportation, it is a luxury resort on wheels. Meet the 2026 Pasadena SV. The open road calls to those who crave freedom, adventure, and luxury, and the 2026 Pasadena SV is built to answer that call. This is not just a motorhome. It is a Super C diesel rig designed to redefine what it means to travel in style. With bold design, refined engineering, and interiors that feel more like a resort than an RV, the Pasadena SV transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience. Whether you are cruising the highway, setting up camp in the wilderness, or parking lakeside for a weekend escape, this coach ensures every moment feels like home. From the very first glance, the Pasadena SV commands attention. Its striking full-body paint is finished with sleek, gel-coated sidewalls that gleam in the sun, while the optional stealth blackout package adds a touch of modern aggression. With a towering road presence, it doesn't just keep up with the pack, it leads. Pulling into any campground or RV resort, you'll feel the heads turn and the admiration follow. This motorhome is as much about presence as it is about performance. Life outdoors becomes effortless. After a long day of hiking or exploring, you roll out the power patio awning, complete with integrated LED lighting that sets the perfect ambience for evenings outside. The awning extends with the push of a button, shading your setup and creating an inviting lounge area under the stars. Beneath the coach, large basement pass-through storage compartments are ready to handle all your gear, bikes, fishing equipment, or that extra cooler for game day. Adventure doesn't travel light, and with the Pasadena SV, you never have to leave anything behind. When it's time to unplug from the everyday and reconnect with the world around you, the Pasadena SV delivers. A standard 100-watt solar panel helps keep your energy flowing when off the grid, while an available upgrade adds 400 watts more, bringing total solar power to 500 watts. That means more freedom, fewer limitations, and the ability to camp in remote places without compromise. Pair that with the onboard diesel power, and you've got a true explorer's dream, ready for mountain passes, desert trails, or beachside getaways. Connectivity is never out of reach, even when the city skyline is miles behind you. The Pasadena SV comes equipped with a Winegard ConnecT system, an all-in-one powerhouse that functions as a Wi-Fi extender, a 5G hotspot, and a TV antenna. Stream, work remotely, or stay in touch with loved ones while traveling off the beaten path. Entertainment follows you everywhere too, from binge-worthy marathons on the interior smart TVs to outdoor movie nights under the stars with a massive 40-inch exterior LED TV. It's camping, but with a cinematic twist. Slide into the driver's seat, and technology greets you with confidence. The 10-inch touchscreen dash radio puts control at your fingertips, offering Bluetooth pairing, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and SiriusXM compatibility. Every road trip deserves a soundtrack, and here, your playlists, podcasts, and radio shows play in high fidelity as you roll across the map. Long drives feel shorter, smoother, and infinitely more enjoyable when your cockpit is this dialed in. Inside, the Pasadena SV redefines luxury travel. Think of it as a high-end residence on wheels. At the heart of the living space is the multifunctional Dream Dinette. This isn't just where you eat, it's where family game nights happen, where laptops open for remote work, and where conversations stretch late into the evening. Built-in cup holders keep drinks steady on the move, while a wireless charger keeps your devices ready for the next adventure. Directly across, theater seating invites you to relax in ultimate comfort. With heating, massage, and reclining footrests built right in, every seat feels like first class. USB ports and cup holders add practicality, while the plush design makes you forget you're in a motorhome at all. In select floor plans, like the 38DX, 38FX, and 38XL, a remote-controlled electric fireplace warms the cabin and sets a cozy atmosphere, turning even rainy nights into something special. For food lovers, the Pasadena SV kitchen transforms camping into fine dining. With a 2-burner induction cooktop, you can whip up meals quickly and safely. The convection microwave doubles as an air fryer, bringing crispy perfection to everything from morning pastries to late-night snacks. A residential refrigerator with an indoor water and ice dispenser ensures you always have cold drinks and fresh ingredients ready to go. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the double-bowl stainless steel sink with a pull-down sprayer, making even dish duty feel like a streamlined part of the experience. Whether it's a quick breakfast before hitting the trail or a full family dinner after a day of exploration, this kitchen makes it happen with ease. When the day winds down, the Pasadena SV ensures rest comes easily. The master bedroom is a sanctuary, headlined by a king bed with the tilt-a-view feature. This clever design lets you recline at the perfect angle to watch TV, read, or simply relax. A shaded skylight above the cab reveals the night sky from a cozy bunk, perfect for kids, guests, or even stargazing. Need more sleeping space? The Dream Dinette converts into a bed with minimal effort. And if you're traveling with family, the 38XL floor plan offers bunk beds, giving everyone their own personal corner of comfort. But the Pasadena SV is more than the sum of its features. It's the lifestyle it unlocks. Imagine waking up with mountain views outside your window, brewing coffee in your fully equipped kitchen, then heading out for a day of adventure, knowing you'll return to a home that's as comfortable as any high-end condo. Imagine spontaneous road trips that don't sacrifice luxury, weekends that stretch into weeks, and the freedom to chase the horizon without losing the comforts of home. Traveling in the Pasadena SV means having the best of both worlds: rugged diesel power and luxurious refinement. It's built to handle the road less traveled, yet designed to pamper you every step of the way. Every detail, from the sleek exterior paint to the smart interior layout, reflects a dedication to craftsmanship and comfort. For those who crave more than just a vehicle, for those who see travel not as a break from life, but as a way of life, this Super C motorhome is the answer. The 2026 Pasadena SV is not just a motorhome, it's a promise. A promise that every trip can feel like a vacation, every drive like a new adventure, and every destination like home. Wherever you roam, this is the rig that elevates the journey, blending capability, technology, and style in a way no other coach can. So pack your bags, set your playlist, and point the nose toward the horizon. With the Pasadena SV, the world is yours to explore, comfortably, confidently, and completely. That's all for today's feature. If you enjoyed this deep dive into 2026 Pasadena SV motorhome, make sure you smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next drive.